Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need a Google account, an existing Firebase project, and console access. Once logged into the Firebase console, select your project from the list. Make sure cloud messaging is available in project settings. This usually appears under the Settings Gear Project Settings Cloud Messaging tab. Now proceed to the Credentials section. This is where the server key lives. If you don't see cloud messaging, double-check your project type and permissions before moving forward. Once in the Cloud Messaging tab, scroll to the Credentials area. You'll find a legacy server key or the current FCM server key listed. This is the token your server uses to authenticate sending messages. Click the Reveal or Copy icon to capture the key. Make sure to store it in a secure environment variable or secrets manager. Do not embed it in client-side apps. If you need a new key, create one here and update your backend configuration so it uses the fresh credential immediately. After copying the server key, paste it into your server configuration and run a test send to a device or test token. If messages fail, inspect FCM error responses and cloud logging for authentication or quota errors. Once done, enforce best practices. Rotate keys when needed, restrict API access via IAM, and keep the key out of public repos. One tip: if deliveries fail with authentication error, regenerate the key and verify your server is using the update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.